In this video, we're going to have a look at WorkGuru's project phases and how you can use them to report on different elements of your project and grouped together based on the phase or the element of the project that you're working on. To set up project phases, you can just add tags into the project phases box on your new edit project page. So you would simply edit a project phase by simply adding a demo project phase to it, for example. When you add those phases, under each task and line item, you'll have the option to allocate that to a phase. So, for example, if we want to set up our manufacturing and install as our different phases that we're going to do here, so I'll tag my manufacturing labor and my install labor to different elements, and I will also do my manufacture manufacture and install for the crusher dust and the subbies that we're going to use on this project. So if we're simply tagging those tasks in the phase, it will allocate each of those line items to the phase in the project. When you look at that now on the project details page, you can look at the project based on the components of the phases. So if we click on the manufacturing phase, we can see how we're tracking in terms of hours worked or materials used that just relate to the manufacturing phase on that process. Whereas if I want to go to the install phase, we can do the same thing, but it's only the installation time. So on installation, we've got the crusher dust and the electrical subcontractors, and we've got no labor budget there, even though we've got a line item. To see the overall project in detail, we go back to the phases demo. So this is also usable on your invoicing phase. So when you go to invoice a project, you can also now invoice it based on the phase of the project. So if you want to do 20% of the manufacturing phase or 30% of the install phase, you can break that down very quickly and easily based on the phases of the project that you'd set up in your Adorator project. So there you go. It's a very quick overview of WorkGuru's project phases.